This is our farmhouse. This is far from the city, about 30 kilometers, and we have to walk 4 kilometers to get here. This is the river. Scooby! Scooby! Ikaw, Koy. Unsay mong kuha, Koy? Nakay kuhang fish? My mom planned to donate the top of the mountain for rehabilitation. It's my daughter. I'm fishing. My son is preparing for his bait. Sama na, Koy. Koy. My bait. Where is your bait? Wati. Ha?
Ayun ako, migahi. Inawala.
The water is brown due to heavy rain last night.
Ayun, lagi pag-ampak ka na maikot ka na ba to? Ay, pag-ampak!
This is our little paradise. When the daylight's gone. Kaya kayo nakuha na? Taas sama kayo na imo ang Koy.